This 13 News First Alert weather.
The sun is setting currently in Topeka, as you can see from our Midland exterior sky cam in downtown, and it's just a beautiful sunset right now. Prairie Band Casino and Resort live storm tracker currently in the 40s and 30s across the state of Kansas. And as we zoom on in northeastern Kansas, 40 right now in Topeka, 42 in Emporia, 43 in Manhattan, 41 in Concordia. We're also seeing some isolated cloud cover as well moving through the area. Wind chills right now are in the 20s and the 30s, so it is a little bit chilly. You'll want to grab that coat, maybe some gloves and a hat if you're going out for dinner or have any fun evening plans. Current wind speeds have picked up there right now between around 5 and around 15 miles per hour, coming mostly from the south right now. So warm air is starting to push in, and that warm air will be seen tomorrow for the most part. Current wind gusts right now are between 5 and 15 miles per hour as well. As we go throughout tomorrow, those wind gusts will pick up, and then they will calm down as we go into the afternoon before picking up on Tuesday, and they'll continue to be high between around 10 and 25 miles per hour through Wednesday, or even higher on Wednesday. Next 24 hours will be in the 30s, getting into the 20s by the early morning hours tomorrow morning, then peaking in the 50s and maybe even into the 60s for some areas tomorrow for your highs. Tonight's forecast overall, we will be in the 20s. We will be clear for the most part. Tomorrow's forecast in the 50s, maybe even reaching into the 60s with that westerly flow, and we will be sunny. Tuesday's forecast, we will be in the 60s area wide with partly cloudy skies, so more cloud cover by then. Tracking out the next 48 hours or so, we do see some clouds build as we go into tomorrow morning around the time you leave for work or get your kids up for school if they have school, and then we will see more cloud cover going into Tuesday morning. And then we see a disturbance of some kind moving through on Tuesday evening. And that may bring chances for showers overall, as our models are currently showing that chance. Also, the models are showing a chance with any of the moisture that we have. If it's cold enough, we could see sporadic isolated snow showers as well. But that chance is mainly for the latter half of the week when we start to see colder temperatures move in with the fronts that we'll see Thursday and Friday. As you can see, just some on the periphery of our viewing area, which could creep into northeastern Kansas on Friday, Saturday, just throughout the latter half of the week overall before we clear out, and we really aren't going to see anything on Sunday. 8-day forecast overall, mild throughout the next 2 days to start your work week. But as we go to the middle part of the week, we see a set of cold fronts move through, may bring some precipitation with them. And then we get to Friday and Saturday, and we will be colder going into the weekend before we warm up just around normal for this time of year by Sunday and Monday.